Hey, this is Matt from MasterSketchup.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create different shapes for your leader lines when you insert labels in LayOut. So in LayOut 2015, you now have the ability to quickly insert a straight leader, a two-segmented leader, a double curved leader, or a single curved leader. So we're going to look at each one of these and see how you can create each one. So I'll just delete those and I'll grab the label tool. And what you're probably used to doing is clicking once to anchor the label and then clicking again to anchor the text. But only this time you'll notice that it doesn't end there. So you have to do a third click to define where the text is. And this is how you insert a two-segmented label. So that'll give you an elbow joint to pivot the leader. And by default, it'll insert, if you anchor the label to a SketchUp model, it'll default to an auto text, which you can choose from this window. If you'd like to learn more about how this works and how you can use dynamic components to add additional data to your model, you should check out my other video. I'll have a link below in the description, and you can see how to do that exactly. But you can overwrite this text anyways. So we'll call this the two-segmented leader line. And whenever you're done typing in label text, you just tap Escape to finish. Now, to get a simple straight line label that you're used to, what you do is you click once to anchor, and then you double click, and then that'll give you the text box. So this is our straight line leader. And again, I'll tap Escape to exit that. Now we can get into curved leaders. To create a curved leader, there's two ways to do it, and there's a slight difference in how they appear. So instead of just clicking, I'm going to click and drag, and then I'll click. So this, I call this the double curve leader, because if I grab the select tool and double click on the leader line, you can see what it does. It actually converts both of these points into curved points. So by you can edit the curves after you've drawn it, but it'll insert these curve grip points for you automatically just by click and drag on the first one, and then just single click on the second one. And the last quick way to draw a curved line is to click and then click and drag. And what this does is it only inserts one curve point. So this would be a single curve leader. Another thing that's good to know about the leader tool is, well, first of all, if you're dragging the box around, you can notice how the leader line will automatically jump to either the left side of the text box or the right side of the text box. But you can actually change that once you've drawn the label. So to change the anchor point, you just double click on the label, and you can click and drag this to one of any points. And you can anchor it anywhere actually, and it'll remain linked to the text box, so you're not going to explode the label by doing that. So that was an additional feature that was included. You can also edit if you double click to edit the label and then double click once more, that gets you down to the root properties of the leader line as well. So if you look down here for the extra the tool options, by holding down Control, you can add additional points, or you can convert existing points into curves. So this was one of those features that was kind of under the radar. They didn't really talk too much about this in the new release, but it's a great feature to quickly have some customization of your leader lines to, without having to double click and edit the lines manually. It's all produced right up front when you create the leader. So it's a great trick to learn and be aware of these different options when you're drawing labels. And if you'd like to learn more about SketchUp and LayOut, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I produce videos all the time and tutorials, and you can check out my other tutorials at mastersketchup.com.